Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ilyas Private Channel. Through this channel, I am endeavoring to provide and give insights on Excel, VBA, AI, leadership skills, professional ethics, and motivational related topics in our upcoming future classes. Friends, we are continuing with our Excel VBA series, and I will be giving explanation in English on request of our viewers, subscribers, and many friends. These 9 videos which I have already explained in Hindi, please refer to it before moving to further classes. And don't forget to like and share the video. And if you have any queries, please write in the comments. Friends, today we will be learning about Vba-If statement. So, Vba-If statement can be written in 3 ways. Vba-If, simply if, and if-else, and if-else-if. So today we will be learning about simple if statement in VBA, how to write and execute it. In the next classes, I will be teaching you about if-else and then if-else-if statements. So coming to our topic, VBA-If statement, simple if. Here I have written 3 codes. One by one I will be explaining you how to write VBA-If statement. Basically, before going into that, just think your mother has told you, if you bring vegetables from the market, then you will get a cup of coffee. So otherwise it is understood that she will not give. That is what if statement is. Means if statement consists of a condition, and if that condition is satisfied, then the result will be executed. That is what if statement is. I will explain you in detail. See here, sub if I have written the procedure name, and if I have written, thereby I have written a condition, range A1 equal to empty. Then range A1 should be 16. Simply. So condition is range A1 is, if range A1 is equal to empty, then range A1 equal to 16 should be filled in cell A1, 1 comma 1. If it is not empty, then nothing will be filled. That I haven't written. It will be understood. It is simple VBA-If statement. So I will be executing it. Just check it. If range A1 is equal to empty, if it is true, if it is satisfying our condition, so here A1 is empty. So then if it is true, then it is going to execute the code which will be displaying 16 in A1 cell. Here you have seen it. Is it okay? Now if range A1 is equal to empty, I have written, then range A1 is equal to 16, it should fill it. Now I am writing here 17. Now check it. F8. If range A1 is equal to empty, but our cell A1 is filled with 16, so it is false, then it is ending the code. Means it is not executing anything, because if it is empty, then it has to execute this code 17 has to be filled in A1 cell. This is a simple if statement, and I will be explaining you with other example. Another example, just see it. Sub if range A1 is less than or equal to 35, then range B1 equal to pass. You can see it here. Now I am writing here in range A1 cell, I am writing 34. Now you can check it. I am pressing F8. what I have written the condition, if range A1 is less than or equal to 35, less than or equal to 35, range A1. So A1 cell is having 34, which is less than 35. So the condition here is satisfied. Then the code will move to execute the further action. What? Then range B1 is equal to pass. Now press F8. You can see pass has been displayed here. So when the condition is satisfied, then the code or result will be executed. If it is not satisfied, then the code will be ended. Similarly, here you have written, in the above two codes you have written, if condition, then the code should, the result what it should be executed in one line. Similarly here also. But here, if you are able to see, you can see it here. I have written, if range A1 is less than or equal to 50, then I haven't written the result what it should execute in the same line. I have written in the next line. So for that, when I am writing the code which has to be executed in the next line for if statement, then I have to write ENDIF to close the if statement. You understand? When you are writing the result in the next line, you have to write ENDIF to close the if statement. Similarly, we can check this one. Just if here what I have written the condition, if range A1 is greater than or equal to 50, means suppose I am writing here 35. If range A1 is less than or equal, is greater than or equal to 50, then range B1 is equal to pass. Just check it. F8. If range A1 is greater than or equal to 50, but here it's less than 50, so it will be bypassing range B1 is equal to pass, because the condition is not satisfied and it is ending the if statement. If I have written here 51, then check it, it is displaying pass in B1 cell. So this is about simple if statement. We can call it as simple if statement or if then statement also. And don't forget to like and share the video. And if you have any queries, please write in the comments.